I'm going to try to give a demonstration on how to hybridize roses. And I'm going to work on this particular rose, which is Dortmund. And this is one of the ones I'm trying to use now because I know that it sets lots of hips. So I'm using this one. We have traffic here. I'm using this one to tell how different roses throw colors. And a single one like this is real easy to use, and it will give me an idea of any new roses I have added to my stable to see if they will throw the color that they are. Now, you have to know when to use the rose. These two buds here I'm going to use today. Now, you can tell that the pollen that surrounds it is a light yellow. If they've gotten too far, they're going to look like these that are brown. So this is the stage that you want it to be. First thing I'm going to do is pull all of the petals off. Then I'm going to take off the pollen and collect it in a little square piece of paper. Okay? And I'm just using my thumb here, my thumbnail, to take those off. Okay, here's the pollen. This I will fold up and take in the house, and it will dry overnight. When it's dried, it will go into a vial, and that's what I keep the pollen stored in. Now, in order to make the cross, I'm going to take my little brush, make sure that I can get to the part in the middle, and this is what I'm going to put the pollen on. And shake it real good. This one that I'm using is Twilight Zone, which is a new rose this year. It's a very dark purple. If you can get a close-up on that, you can see on the lid there's yellow powder. That's the pollen. That's what I want to get on my brush. Okay, I've got it on my brush. It's hard to see on this one, but I'm just going to dab it on the middle of the flower. And then a step that I add just for my own benefit is I use some netting, put over what I've just pollinated, and I'm going to snap off the second little bud so it's not in the way. And I have it marked, the cross. And we're done. In about a week, I will be able to tell if that cross took. And the netting and the tag helps me know what the cross was. And it also helps to find the hip if it should happen to fall off. Okay.